Hey everyone, it's me, and today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful for you. Each and every one of you, whether you comment or not, I want you to know just how thankful I am for you. Definitely. I finished up a little video, a Nordstrom try on haul video this morning. I've already edited it. And as I was working and answering emails and stuff, I'm going to go over to my parents later. And John just left to play some basketball. And so anyway, in my email, so many good sales were coming up. I thought I'm going to do a quick Happy Thanksgiving video. And I'm going to tell you about some sales I do not want you to forget. First and foremost, I'm serious. City Beauty, 50% off. And I believe it goes until Monday. I love this stuff. I love it. If I had to tell you one thing to get first, these are my favorites. I would say just get the clear gloss. I mean, look at this. It just, not only is it moisturizing, but it does plump. It really does. Especially if you've ever had any lip filler. I feel like it revives it or something. I don't know what it does. But it's not burny, gimmicky. It isn't something that, like a lot of times I would use a lip plumper or something during the day, but I would have never dreamed of putting it on at night before I went to bed. This isn't like that. It's skincare and plumping. And I love it. I put it on every night and every morning, no matter what. So I think 50% off is now's the time to try it. Today I am wearing probably my favorite gloss. It's the pink Nude. And I have actually had this on for hours. I did it. If you want to see it really fresh, you'll have to watch my next video. I might post both of these today. But love it. I'd like the Nude too, but there's just something about this pink Nude that is special. And it's not too opaque. It really blends out like in a few minutes. Here, let me blot it one time. I don't want you guys to think it's going to be too light for you because it's really not. I love it like this. It just doesn't take any time to calm down a little bit. And I'm wearing it with the KKW lip liner. I can't remember the name of it. Classic Icon. That's it. Because I went to her website to buy like a full-sized one and it was sold out. So you can get this in that little kit I was telling you about. Okay, the Sculpting cream. It just is fabulous. You'll love it. Okay, so that is the City Lips All Saints. All Saints is not a place that I usually buy a lot of stuff. I have some things that I ordered that I'm going to show you tomorrow in my Friday haul. But they're having 30% off of the whole website, and they really have some cool stuff. So I thought it was worth mentioning that they are having a big sale. Express. Now I teeter on Express, you know, whether I like some things. But when you get something good, it's good. Like the slip dresses from Express, I think are really good. The weight of the dress is nice. It's not as, you know, the weight of a slip dress is important. Otherwise, it doesn't hang correctly. So they are having 50% off of everything. So I think now is a good time to try one of those if you would like. You know, I like the bodysuits, but not as much as the Zara. So I wouldn't say that. And then this is something that really made me want to do this video. My favorite, I mean, these sunglasses are so dirty because I wear them constantly. They're polarized. They are just as nice feeling as any Gucci pair of sunglasses. And I mean it. And Privé Revaux is running 30% off. So my favorite style is this one, which is the Victoria. And then I also like the one, it's a collaboration with Olivia Culpo, and they're cat eyes. I love that one too. Just such good glasses for the money. And then Laura Mercier. You guys know, I don't even know how I could do my makeup without using so much Laura Mercier. I use the powder. I used two of the powders, the original and the honey. I use my favorite highlight of all times is the Matte Highlight 01. I've been wearing it the past probably week. I've fallen back in love with it. And the Eye Basics in Buff is my favorite, eye. And then their pencils, like the caramel, and just all of the shadow pencils are so good. 25% off of Laura Mercier. And then, of course, we have, like I told you, the Jenny Bird. And I was thinking, I wanted to tell you my favorite thing that I've gotten from Jenny Bird, and I believe it's this chain. I didn't put the bracelet on just because I have on long sleeves, but this chain and the bracelet that go with it, I love them. They're so pretty. It's something that makes a big impact, but you don't even feel it when you have it on. I just think they're so pretty, and they would be such good gifts or a gift to yourself. And then Dean Davidson is having the big special. So I've got on his plaza ring, and I want to show you how cute these little earrings are, especially when you have your hair up. I just think they're perfect. I'm sure there are so many more, and if I come across another good sale, you know what? I even brought these up here. I was going to put these on and just was totally prepared to tell you that they were on sale, because it seems like last year, right around this time, I got some for like half off or something. Buy one, get one half or something. And so I was going to tell you that they were on sale, but they're not. They do have some shoes on sale at the Schutz website, but not those. So I was a little disappointed in that. Maybe they'll end up doing that more. Maybe it was after Christmas or something like that, but I love those boots. So, and then for my outfit of the day, you'll have to catch me on my Nordstrom video. I have so many good things that turned out so good, and I will see you there. And then once again, I wanted to tell you thank you for being here. See you soon. Bye-bye.